Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Litecoin has once again reached the resistance of a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and this was the video by the way. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few days back on 17th of July 2023 with my members. And I would also like to share with you a long-term trade signal for Litecoin that I shared last year with my members, and that's a quite long-term trade signal and still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared a few days back on 17th of July 2023 with my members, and that is a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Litecoin has formed on a daily time frame chart. In fact, it was completing the final leg. You can see it was very close to enter inside this buying zone. And if I play this chart, then you can see that it dropped down and entered the buying zone here, and then it is geared up. And I'm expecting that soon it can hit the sell target zone of this Gartley. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. That is a very, very huge. This pattern is formed, by the way, on the monthly time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that still the price and is moving inside this buying zone and geared up. And I'm expecting that soon it may reach this sell target zone that starts from $224 and goes to $348. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin, and this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that the movement is now quite squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern. And right now, after getting bounced from the support of this falling wedge, the price line is again reached the resistance of this wedge. At this time, we need to break out two resistance levels together. One is this red line that is a daily EMA 21, and the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that the price line has already broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and after breaking out the resistance of the wedge, the price line has formed another very, very huge ascending triangle. And you can see that here, this level was breaking as a resistance. This downtrend line resistance was breaking as a resistance, and after the breakout, the price line is dropped down at this previous resistance, the downtrend line resistance that is inside this ascending triangle, and now it is testing that resistance as a support. Therefore, I'm expecting that after testing the support, and you can see how also it is testing this red line that is the weekly EMA 21, a quite long-term support. The price line can gear up and it can break out the resistance of this big ascending triangle. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then once the price line will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern that I'm expecting that soon it can break out, the target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $115. And if the price line reaches there, then it can also break out this long-term resistance of $100 as well. And by the way, this is also the resistance of this big ascending triangle. And now if we take a look at the target, once the price line will be able to break out the triangle, because if the price line reaches here to hit the target for this falling wedge pattern at $115, then it can also break out this triangle as well. And the final target will be here. That will be approximately at $250. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.